This is Gritsko, and I'm at Spruce Knob at the peak over 4,800 feet in wild, wonderful West Virginia. And I'm actually standing in the Boulder field, which is over here. It's a pretty spectacular view. Lots of people kind of over here enjoying the beauty of the day. And what I was trying to do is to show there's a trail that goes over from the spot where people come out this way. You have to go under the tower, continue down the trail past two spots. At the second spot, you have to walk through a rock field, which is not the easiest thing to do. But once you do, you're going to come under these two spruce trees here, follow the trail on around, and it comes right over here. Since there's a lot of tall grass here, it's probably a good idea to keep that in mind. But at the same time, it's a great place to picnic, a great place to spend the day. What's not to like about being over 4,800 some feet at the top, the roof of West Virginia? If you've never been here, come and check it out sometime. Just be careful.